Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to be continuing our conversation about volume by talking about the volume of cylinders. So we've talked about volume before in the context of rectangular prisms, and if you remember, volume just means the amount of space a 3D object takes up. So today we're talking about cylinders. So I have a picture of a cylinder, bottom left-hand corner. You've probably seen cylinders in your day-to-day life. So take a minute and think about where you've seen cylinders before. So for me, I've seen cylinders as birthday cakes or soup cans or candles. All of these are real life examples of cylinders. So, like I said, we've talked about volume with rectangular prisms. And if you need a refresher, this right here is a rectangular prism. And the way we find volume is, remember, we do base, which base, that top and bottom polygon. So the area of the base, in this case, the area of the base equals my length of my base, which is that side right there labeled L, and then the width of my base times the width, that side right there labeled W. So area of the base, B, equals length times width, and then times height. So that's how you find the volume for a prism. Now, let's say we want to extend our knowledge of prisms. So we add another side to make a pentagonal prism. Then we add another side to make a hexagonal prism. And then we add two more sides to make an octagonal prism. So as we continue to add sides, what does that shape of the base start to look like? Looks like a circle. That's a very poor drawing of a circle, but if you added an infinite amount of sides, you would have something that is indistinguishable from a circle. So we can use the same equation for volume of a prism with our cylinder. So what is the base of a cylinder? Circle. And if you remember from our unit on two-dimensional shapes, the area of the circle, or B, be pi r squared. So we're going to use that instead of our B when finding volume. Here's an example. So I have two measurements. My measurement in green is my height, and then my measurement in blue is my radius. So if I'm using my equation, V equals, so my base, remember, instead of B, we're going to put pi r squared times h, which is 15, or h, sorry. Then we put the numbers in. So pi stays the same. Then our radius is 8 squared, and then our h is 15. So pi times 8 squared times 15. I'm going to save you the math. This calculates to 960 pi. And we can keep it in this simple form so we don't have to deal with all the messiness that comes with pi. And then remember units, centimeters cubed. So that's how you find volume. Now I'm going to give you an opportunity to do it on your own. Thank you.